Welcome to 138 Conestoga Drive in Sarnia's desirable College Park neighborhood. This is a large two-story home with 4 bedrooms, 4 total bathrooms, an attached double-car garage. It would be perfect for any family that's starting to outgrow their home. Step inside to find a home office, a cozy fireplace to gather around, a bright sunroom, all with thoughtful layout and designed for comfort and style. Upstairs, you'll find 4 generously sized bedrooms, a 5-piece bathroom with his and her sink, and the primary bedroom comes with its own ensuite. With parks, shopping, restaurants, and Lambton College only steps away, this home has a super convenient location. Get in touch for more details.